All right, Chapter 7, page 3 of Section 5 for APR, Annual Percentage Rate. Many lenders add upfront fees to a loan and then spread them over the life of the loan. This has the effect of making the actual interest rate that a borrower pays higher than the quoted rate. Okay. The lenders are required by law to disclose the APR that reflects the true interest being charged. Okay. This allows the consumers to compare loans with different terms, kind of an apples to apples thing. The calculation is complicated, so the tables have been compiled to help you estimate APR for any loan. There is a partial table down here. In Alex, they will provide you with partial tables that you need for the problem, so you're not expected to have one. Okay. So let's explain how to use the table. It's easier than reading the instructions here, but we are going to find the finance charge per 100 borrowed using this formula. The finance charge, the amount charged times 100. Then we're going to find the number of payments and go across and find the row, move to the right until you find the closest number, and then you go up and you will get the APR percentage rate up here. Okay, so let's try one of these. Amber buys a new car with no down payment necessary for this amount. Fees add up to a finance charge of this. Okay, all in, that's the amount of fees, interest, whatever finance charge. Okay, it's a 3-year term. What is the annual percentage rate? So according to this formula up here, let me write it here, which was finance charge divided by amount financed times 100 sorry, so I had to turn my phone off. All right, so finance charge, very straightforward. It says the finance charge is that. There it goes there. Goes over the amount financed. You didn't put any down payment, therefore the whole thing was financed. Obviously, if there's a down payment, subtract that first. And then times 100. So make sure you put that in your calculator right. You're going to get a 7.9. And I just put the 0 to remind myself there wasn't another decimal involved. And then the all-important 3-year. Well, notice this goes by number of monthly payments. So 3 years is 36. So we're looking here, and right here is your 7.9 that you got when you did the math to find the finance charge per $100 borrowed. That's the definition for that. So it's in this column here. So we go up. So that means this is actually has an APR of 5%. Okay. It says APR, need the chart, need this little formula real quick. Couple has a transmission bill of this. They paid $400. So the amount financed is $1,500. They paid $67.34 per month. We're going to have to come out this a little funny. Let's see. This is 24. This is how much they paid. That comes out to 16, 16, 16. And I did double check that very strange number. So if they paid that all in and the amount financed was that, if I subtract them, what am I going to get? I am going to get the amount of finance charge. So that's 1616, as odd as that is. So that goes here, okay, times 100. And you're going to get approximately 7.744 on and on. I just kind of stopped there. And then remember, this is for 24 months. So I'm here, back up here at 24 months. I'm coming across and I'm looking for 7.744 is in here somewhere. Okay, so it's between 7 and 7.5%. You can just take the middle. Alex will tell you what they want you to do on that. Okay, not too bad.